Hey, it's Cameron and Courtney Ware with Lightware Labs, and we're in a film studio today for fun, projection mapping onto our 1990 Nissan Pao. This car was only made in Japan, super unique, super rare, and so we thought it'd be fun to kind of showcase what projection mapping can do on a fun little car. So we've got 7 projectors. They're kind of all placed around the room here, hitting the back wall, the wheels, the side of the car, the hood, all different kind of areas. So 7 projectors controlled from one Mac Pro tower and running Pro Video Player 3. You can see our layers here. We've got the car itself. We decided to have a separate layer just for the Nissan logo on the side. And of course the wheels that turn and the ground that moves. The strobe lights that you can see there are for a separate target that we made just for the headlights and license plate. So Courtney will go into the editor here. I'll show you what we're doing. So in the mask window, you can see we're using one triple head to go. And so one projector does the roof, the side, and then the wheels themselves. And the wheels, we actually just took 2 projectors and daisy chained them together so that they're doing the exact same thing. And then we got the cyc that is edge blended and the right screen, which is the ground. Let's go to screens and look at that. So again, there's the triple head with the projectors on the car. Then here's the back wall that's edge blended, that blue bar there. And then let's go to targets, and you can see we've got all these different kind of targets for the ground, the cyc, the car itself. But the fun thing is on the lights, you can see we created very tiny little targets just for each headlight, the license plate, and if you look real close, those are even the turn indicators. So all those are being illuminated by the projectors. And the coolest thing we love about Pro Video Player is that we can have all these different columns of visuals, and each column will correspond to each layer. And so we can just click one button and tell Pro Video Player what clips to show when. So Courtney can change the entire setup with just one click. So it's great to pre-program everything, and then she clicks one button and all the different media layers go to their respective projectors and therefore targets on the car. So Pro Video Player 3 just makes it super simple. It probably took us 2 hours to set all this up with the masks and the targets and the projectors. So it's really fun, really cool. Thanks to New Division, and thanks Pro Video Player 3.